To enable and use swipe to call feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Scroll down the screen, tap other call settings, and then tap the gray on off switch next to swipe to call or text until the switch on screen to turn it on. To see how this feature works, go to your contact list or your call history. As the example, we will try this feature in the call history. To do so, tap the packet twice to go to the dial pad screen. Tap reason to see your call history. With the swipe to call feature is on, you can easily call a contact simply by swiping the contact to the right like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.